Interesting.
You hear what happened up there at Ronald Reagan Airport?
Now.
They almost had a collision.
See, look at that.
Okay, and let her go.
Yeah, it's pretty straight.
Pretty straight right now. So.
I wish it had more power, but it doesn't.
1 minute.
Little loop.
And it might be, like you said, it might be Johnny disease because we've been flying 80 millimeters all week for the last month. So flying this is kind of, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. That's for damn sure. So I'm kind of like, yeah, that's going to be kind of suck.
I like the colors of that.
Stall warning. 9, 8, stall 7. Stall warning. Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
How does that do? Well, until I get, but I'm not zero. So if I go,
At least it's nice and smooth.
Stall
It
warning.
is. That thing's flying nice.
see, so not yet. All right, here we go.
Stall warning.
It's nice and smooth. Little bit of shimmying.
Stall warning. 8, 7,
Okay, got a little
6, 5,
right.
4,
I got a little right turn. You're down, clear to land. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
Reverse full. Stall warning.
Ooh, nice.
Gear up.
takeoff. That just came right up. I should grab my. Okay, just bump it a little. Yeah, see, it rocks just a
Stall
little bit after
warning.
you do that, so it needs just a little more.
That is smooth.
Yep, and it's. Yeah, it shouldn't do that.
Stall warning.
Yeah, it's
Stall
walking low,
warning.
but we need more.
Yeah,
Gear down.
that's funny. You could actually see that one.
You can see that, and you can hear them.
30 seconds.
That's it. You get a tax break. If you're 70%,
Stall warning.
it's a formula. It's not like you get 70% of the tax.
20 seconds.
What mine comes out
Landing flaps.
like, $800.
Whoa.
Stall warning. Stall.
For as far as them, that landing gear sticks down, and
Stall warning.
You're hot. When you're not, you're not. I think there's a song that goes along like that. Yeah, I'm very aware of it, and I should sing it. Because it's kind of warm now.
Stall warning. Time remaining 4 minutes.
I'll get down the other side of you here.
Okie dokie.
Stall warning. remaining 2 minutes. Stall warning. Stall warning. Stall warning.
But that plane just disappears in that gray sky, don't it?
This one here is just really.
Want to get an appointment for a urologist. And we say, I want to
Don't get
Right on up, James.
off and land. Might be one of the batteries I didn't take good care of.
You better not be landing on the grass.
See, if you call it before you do it, they'll believe you. Hey, you scaring me now. I got my back to you. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with that battery.
Is it an old battery?
No, I bought them at the same time. Huh. Oh, it's so stable.
You got full sun to contend with now.
Got what?
Full sun to contend with now.